Yes! It's smallmouth. Come here, bud. Sweet. Coming. Thank you. Hold my rod, please. Yeah, he's a chunker. He's not that long, but he's a fatty. And he hit it nice. That was good. I know where they're hanging out now. Look at that one.
Oh, jeez, that was in there.
Yeah. He's got to be at least 17. It's a nice fish, though. Yeah, that's a start there for sure. Sweet. Cheers, bud. See ya.